esteemed faculties and my dear friends, to the event of the projects on design thinking skills for innovation. To set the tone, let's start with the goal. Innovation distinguished between a leader and a follower. The realm of engineering, projects and hands-on laboratories where theoretical knowledge meets real-world challenges. They encourage the applications of design and creating for optimum outcomes.
To innovate, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So, as we invite HOD, Dr. V. Satyasundaram sir. Now, I invite our coordinators, Mr. Ramaswamy sir and Halikirtana ma'am to the dais. To the dais.
Professor, sir, on the dais.
Actually, today also there is another program in our EC department. Same kind of activities they are also conducting. Until now, most of the faculties and students are attended meeting. Due to that, we invited all the department HODs also, but they could not able to attend. There is risk still they are not taking their lunch. Moreover, today also we are going to celebrate the idea as well as the poster presentation. Once again, I will invite all the students and my dear colleagues, Dr. Sunita Rani Madam, Associate Professor from the Maths Department, the Professor Dr. Rafiq Mohammed, CSE Department, and the coordinator of the today's program, Ramaswamy sir, and Halikirtana Madam, and all other faculty members, students. Every time we used to conduct the different type of programs, say like a poster presentation, as well as the idea presentation and the project presentation also. Right. So it is a one kind of platform you can express your ideas, as well as your the project skills, as well as the research skills also. Right. You should have the design thinking. What is meant by design thinking? We are in the education industry, education field, and our knowledge should be shareable. It should be useful to the different type of peoples. Okay, I want to go for one small story related to this design thinking. There is one person want to go for like vacation. Okay, so he chooses the desert. So he carried one water bottle, having the 1 liter water only. Okay. So he started to walk in the desert. After moving 1 hour, his entire water was drunk by him. After 1 hour, water is not there. He keep on moving. And he thought that there may be some possibility of getting the water. At the end, moving after more than 1 hour, he found one water tank. Jug or the kind of the bottle will be there. The bottle, there is a water. Okay, and there is a one board also will be there. In that board, it is mentioned that drink the pour the water into the the hand pump and pull it. Then you drink the water. So after that, keep the water in the place itself, like that they mentioned. Okay. You have seen drink the water and keep the water, like that. There is a notice board. There is notice mentioned in the letter. One notice board. So after seeing that, he is having double-minded because there is the hand pulling pump. It looks like a old one. He is thinking that there is a water in one jug. So there is a water I can drink because I want to drink. That's it. If I pour the water in the pipe, we don't know whether the water will come or not, because the condition of that the pipe is the hand pump is looking like that. Okay, so in that situation, what do you think? Definitely you think that why we have to bother about the water, the others. We have the water, we will drink like that, isn't it? Everybody will think like that. But what he did, he is also having a two kind of mind. What is, we will drink the water, we will go around the desert. Or other one, why we have to drink the water? We will try. We will pour the water in the hand pump and we will pull it up. Almost 1 hour or even half an hour also, what will happen? We will try like that. He is thought. Then after that, immediately he poured the water. Okay. And then after that, he tried just 5 minutes only. He got the water. So whatever the water he did, he had, and also he have taken some more water in his bottle, and also he have taken the water in that bottle, in the jug also. Kept and he left the place. Okay. The moral of the story is, don't be like a selfish. Right? Don't be like a selfish. Right? Because if you take the water, you will be, it's no use for others. You are only who is taking the water, you are drinking that totally. Now there is no water, if the other will come, they cannot have any other source to get the water from the hand pump. Isn't it? So don't behave like a selfish. You have to, whatever you are doing, that should be benefit to the society. That should be useful to the others. Like that, you have to think. That is called design thinking. Innovative idea, innovative thinking. Okay? So think like that. That means your idea should be, whatever your creativity, idea should be, it is useful to others. Because you are always in the learning. You are learning in the new thinking, new idea. It should be useful to others. You have to share your knowledge to others. So that is a moral of this. It's not a story, it's a real one. So like 8 minds of you, you have to create, you have to involve, you have to go for new thinking, design thinking. Okay, so implement, and it should be useful to the all type of society. It should be benefit to the society. Right? So with this, I will just conclude that, and I welcome all the students to participate various type of programs and express your ideas, so that you also in your future you will get the lot of benefits. Okay. For giving the opportunity, I thank the coordinator of this program. Thank you.
For joining us and celebrating the same.
A very good afternoon, one and all. Without wasting any time, first of all, I would like to congrats to everybody and thanks for inviting this program. Really, we all, I hope you are all going to be share this knowledge. As the sir told, like a wonderful story, like it is really needed for everybody. When you have a knowledge that you need to apply, then only it will become a skill. So everybody requires skills. Until unless you apply, then only to become a skill and have a practice and make a prototypes, then test, then we will have definitely a design thinking. That is called actually the innovation and research, whatever you want. So with this, I wish you all the best. Thank you.
I invite Karthik and team to present their project from CSA.
We are using the UI interface which will be user friendly, and because of this UI interface the data goes to the backend into the database. Firstly, the database management system, like it is like the backbone to the database, and we can store the login credentials and we can keep the tag of the logins.
Is not registered, so he's a new user. So basically, we have to go to a registration process of giving a basic credentials like first name, last name, the username. So these all the credentials will be saved in the user database. Next, the user must use the new password, and there are a few conditions like the password must contain like 8 characters, or it must contain any special characters or numbers. So if this criteria matches, so finally the password is correct and the process ends. And if the user has already registered, then he can directly log in by using the username and password. And if the user has forgotten the password,
for the registration and for the login, we use the buttons and the labels. Use the SQL connector for the front end and back end.
No, I'm asking technically how backend and front end are connected.
Using the SQL connector. Use the SQL connector for create a tagging of front end and back end.
And what is the requirement? Backend requirement is there. Why you are using exception?
If we get any errors,
It's a error or exception?
exceptions.
Errors are different, exceptions are
Both are
different.
different.
What is exception?
Exception
is about JS graph plotter, and my team is Raghavendra, Bhaskar and Heman. So starting with Raghavendra will explain about the introduction of JS graph plotter.
Good afternoon, guys. So, what is a graph plotter? A graph plotter provides very customized graph sheet to plot functions on it. It makes use of HTML5, Canvas, and Max.js framework. Drawing path on a canvas. Move to. This lifts and relocates pen to a pixel. Line. This is a command which helps us to draw a rectangle with the help of corners x, y, width and height. Stroke. This draws a pen stroke.
So now let's input function. For example, x square, y equal to x square. So this is a parabola function. So now the graph of parabola function is here. So if we change the cursor of the mouse, the x and y coordinates are displayed here. So if we give x value as any value, for example 2, 4, then the output is shown here. 4. We have given 2 square is 4. So the output is shown.
pixel length ratio, it means the width in pixel of the smallest grid box. 0 point, it is 0 point is the position of graph on the canvas. Mouse X is the
System and what is the feature available in your proposed system?
existing system. I would say is that it is an improvement of physical graph sheet. You can say that already there have been other graph applications that have been created before. So what is the advantage over those graph applications? It is I'll say yeah, I created one.
Can you list from where you have taken the existing system? Already the software is there now.
We can say the software might be implemented using other technologies, but this
The keystroke which we are typing in our keyboard is stored in a separate file. Now, by using that, we need to propagate. Or the keylogger also can be used for parenting control. Suppose we have provided a system for children in the family. The children, how they are using the system, they are using in a correct way or not. So we can know. And other usage of keylogger is sometimes some fault may be occurred in our systems by pressing unwanted keys. So by using keyloggers, we can able to know by pressing one.
Is basically an program which positions itself with a keyboard and the operating system of the computer, and it can also take occasional screenshots of any sensitive information, recording audio outputs, and even see all the websites that you visit frequently. So hackers can distribute keylogger through peer-to-peer networks or by sending a phishing email, which is contrary to hardware keyloggers. In hardware, keyloggers cannot be detected by antivirus software. They just scan it as an external storage device that is attached to the computer. Next is the data flow diagram. So first one victim, that is me, who is actually using the computer which has keylogger installed in it. And I enter the sensitive information in which the admin then accesses the logs, and you can see the sensitive information like my password and credit card numbers entered in the system. Next.
So basically we have used this PyInput package from Python, which has basically all the classes required for capturing keystrokes. So specifically with this code only captures the keystroke on a keyboard, so we have used the keyboard part of it. So all your alphabets, numerical values, your symbols, and all the special keys like space, alt, or control keys. So first we have created an empty list named keys. Then we have defined two functions. One is onPress F, and the other one is onRelease F. What onPress, and we have another function named writeFile, whose purpose is to write the keystrokes that are entered by the user into a log file. Then the main part is this listener. This listener,
using rubber ducky, we can inject malicious payloads into the PC. So to show, I have turned off the Windows Defender. Whenever we press a key, because it's simple and it is open source.
Any existing system is there for any existing system?
Yes, I mean this is completely a basic version. We have only created for keyboard keystroke capturing. This can be done for even mouse capturing. Even your pointers, coordinates can be captured. Your left click, right click, scroll up, scroll down can be captured. If any
we don't run this, we directly inject the pen drive and it runs the program for us. So that's the modification we have done. Automatically it executes the code.
This is a travel website basically. Here we to explore throughout the world through thrilling experience, and if you have any plans, next to visit our adventures and make memories of last lifetime. And Project Vision and Mission. We aim to provide luxury travel experience. People who are interested to travel and explore the world. And our vision is to make travel a lot easier.
Foremost thing is the destination. Through our website, we can discover many destinations from mountains to jungles, jungle safaris, and etc. And many hidden locations which are not very popular can also be discovered through our website. And next is for any destination where we have to plan some activities to make it more interesting. So suppose if we try to go to some pilgrims and all that, and even to the pilgrims and all that, we can plan through some events or functions like these.
1 to 8 characters, 1 to 9 characters, and it also includes space like special characters like dollar, hash symbol, and @. And next, it provides the vulnerable passwords and recommends for us. So implementation and testing. We used Java code to implement this project. When it runs, the GUI after the user interface gives the user dialog box, which is used to enter the password, and it gives the output as whether it is a strong password or not. If the strong that is not a strong password, it gives the conditions which is to be fitted. The conditions which is included, whether we need a number or a capital letter or a special character or a space, and if the password is not in the length, it also shows the what the length of the character should be required to the password to be a strong password.
Participants who have participated in the session, winners will be announced tomorrow. We delve into the different world of design thinking for innovation, learning valuable insights, safe travels, and let's carry this newfound knowledge forward. Thank you for your learning experience.
I stand here today as a grateful student to express my heartfelt thanks to all those who have made this event possible. I would like to start by thanking our college management who have always been supportive of